First favorite is a beauty product. This is Atomi's Rose Rain Mist, and this has been great to use as a toner. I actually got this from a subscriber in New York. Her name is Michelle, and on the note she wrote that this is one of her holy grails and it's quickly becoming one of mine as well. And I just love the way the mist is distributed. It's like a really fine, cooling mist, and it just does a really great job toning and rehydrating. Sometimes I'll use this just as a setting spray as well, when I just want my face to look more dewy. You can also spray this on your body as well. Naturally, my skin's a little bit on the drier side, so this just comes in handy when I want a refresher.